Hey friends, happy Thursday. Don't forget we're going to Zoom at 1 o'clock today, so your parents should have the link in either they can get off the website or I'm going to send it in our group remind, okay? First thing we're going to do today is blend some words, so we'll start with this one here that you see the beginning, middle, and end, and I'll be changing some of the sounds and we'll have to figure out what the new word is. So the first one that we have here is wag, wag, like the dog could wag his tail. Now I'm only going to change the middle vowel sound from a to I. So now it says ig, wig, like you might wear a wig for Halloween. This time I'm going to change the beginning sound from the w to a p. Now it says ig, pig. Next we'll change the vowel again. So instead of that now we're going to have eh, eh. This is the vowel that a lot of times trips us up. Like etta betta. Now it says egg, peg. Next, we will change the ending sound this time from a g to a t. So Perry is my pet, and she loves to be pet. However, she does not like to get wet. Wet. She does not like to get wet. And then the last one, changing that last letter again from a t now to a b. Remember, that's your B thumb. Okay? Web. Like a spider has a web. Okay. Last thing we need to do is we'll go through Lily Ping gave us this sheet in our workbook. Now we don't have the sheet, but that's okay. We'll just write the words. So there's one word missing. Popcorn word starts off each sentence. The blank planet. Now this planet was the one with the sprinkler where the super kids, remember this sprayed on the ground, the water did, and it got all muddy. It was the wet planet. So you're going to start with that W. Eh, 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 wet. Okay? So that's going to be the first word. You guys can just write the word wet all by yourself, okay? Next one, we had that tent kind of hanging over to a string, and the super kids, when they were in it, were getting hot. So this one will say the hot planet. So I'm going to write that word hot. Hot. Okay? After that, they went to the hot planet and they needed to cool down. So the next place they went where the fan was blowing, it was blowing lots of wind. So the wind planet, wind. So your next word will start again with that I, wind planet. Last few, I'm going to erase my words here so I don't run out of room for you guys. Where the school buses, remember the super kids, they got on stilts to make them tall so they could reach the top of the bus. I actually kind of just gave you that one because it says the tip blank planet. The tip top. You could say the tip top. So you're missing the word top there. Top. Okay, so top would be the next one. It's really great slanted writing. And then the last one, guys, once they jumped off the tip top planet, they landed on the planet Wump. Remember when they hit that mattress, it made the sound wump. So that's going to start with our new letter vowel is U Wump. Planet Wump. Actually, the planet Wump, the W should be a capital or an uppercase W because it's the name of the planet. So, kind of fixed mine so that it was a little bit bigger there. All right, guys, I will see you soon at 1 o'clock in our Zoom meeting. I miss your faces. Bye-bye.